How to create a list of favorite contacts on iPhone. So if you have a group of people or a set of people you often call on your iPhone and you want to add these people to your favorite contact list, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're done with this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create a list of favorite contacts on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the phone app or Della app on your iPhone. So this could be on iOS 18 or earlier. Then once you open it, you could be on contact, recent, keypad or voicemail. Just go ahead and click on Vibrate. Then once you selected Vibrate, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top right. If you have any Vibrate contact already here, then you should see them here. Otherwise, click on the plus icon at the top right. And once you click on them, then choose a contact to add to your Vibrate. Just come here and then search for the contact you want to add to your Vibrate. Click on that. Then you'll be prompted to add to Vibrate. Do you want to message, mobile, call, or video? So here, just select call. Then you see the contact added to your Vibrate. To add more contact to the list, click on the plus icon again. Then search for the contact. Click on it. Then select call mobile. Then you see it added to the favorite. You can just keep adding to the favorite list until you are done, so that you'll be able to quickly have access to this contact. And that is it. So that is basically how to create a list of favorite contacts on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.